Hello everyone, my name is Suhani Sinha and I am the Developer Student Club's lead for Oriental Institute of Science and Technology. Today I'm here to bring to you the most awaited contest organized by Google Developer Student Clubs for university students, and that is, drum rolls, the Solution Challenge 2021. In this video, I'll give you the overview of all the steps and timelines and help you to get started with the solution challenge. So, addressing the elephant in the room, what is the Solution Challenge 2021? The Solution Challenge is a annual contest organized by Google Developer Student Clubs annually and globally for university students to come together and build a solution for the problems in the community using one or more Google technologies. The mission for this year's Solution Challenge is to solve for one of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals of the United Nations. What are Sustainable Development Goals? Citing from the official website, the Sustainable Development Goals or the Global Goals are a collection of 17 interlinked goals that are designed as a blueprint for a better and a more sustainable future for all. If you have been a part of a DSC OIST since the beginning, then you must remember that how we talked about the 17 SDGs in our first event that was getting started with DSC OIST. Since the beginning, we believed in these goals and hoped and aimed to bring about solutions that have these sustainable development goals at the crux of it. Right, so I'm really excited that this year's theme for Solution Challenge are the 17 SDGs created by the United Nations in 2015 to be achieved by 2030. The 17 SDGs agreed upon by all 193 UN member states aim to end poverty, ensure prosperity, and protect the planet. Moving forward, let's take a look on how you can get started with the solution challenge journey. I'll be explaining all the steps in detail. Yes, let's see. Step 1 is join a Google Developer Student Clubs. For all the OIST students, we have a DSC in your own campus. So make sure you register via that. If you have not been a member, please make sure you go to the official website, that is dsc.community.dev, and join the chapter. And for people who don't have DSCs in their campus, for OCT students, you can join via DSC OIST, but make sure you have at least one member in your team that is a part of the campus with the DSC, right? That is a student who is from OIST, right? Next is to register for Solution Challenge from their official website. You have to fill up a form and submit your solution via that. The official website is goo.gle/solution challenge. Links will be mentioned in the description box, so don't worry about that. Next step is to form a team. Choose a team with up to 4 members, not more than that, and you have to submit one solution per team. That's right, only one solution per team. Next step is select a United Nations Sustainable Development Goal. Right, so select a goal that is aligned to your personal interest or any needs in your own community that you see that is aligned to any of the goals. You can choose that. Step 4 is identify a solution. So you can take any popular methods that is used to solve that problem and build a solution around it, right? Next part is learn and build. So step 5 is design the front end interface. This is where your solutions user experience comes in place. You have to design a user experience that is easy for your user to use. Step 6 is design the backend technologies. Google has various resources, code labs, and learning paths that you can use to learn the technology for the backend part. We have also, as DSC OIST have also uploaded and done many sessions and workshops where we have taught technologies that you can make use for your backend. The final steps are step 7: test your solution. Test your solution with any of the user, take feedback, explain it to your family and friends over a video chat, so you are familiar with your own solution. Step 8 is iterate code. With all the feedbacks that you receive, iterate your design and technology and polish the final code. Step 9 is the final step, that is to record a demo video and submit it by March 31st. So make sure to make that video a little interesting. For that, you can also do a kind of role play in the beginning to explain, to address the problem and then the solution. That really makes it a little interesting to see for the judges as well. So yeah, these were all the steps that you need to go through before submitting a solution. I'll be mentioning various resources in the document with the link in the description box that will help you to come up with a solution. If you don't have any idea, it's okay. The videos will help you to to learn how to build a solution. So that's all right. The links will be in the description box, everything and all. Lastly, since we have discussed everything, what's in it for you? Of course, the prizes. All participants receive a Google Developers Digital Profile badge, which is visible on their developers profile online, and an official certificate. Top 50 teams receive customized mentorship from Googlers and experts to take their solutions to the next level. Top 10 finalists receive additional mentorship or deep mentoring, swags, a 1-year subscription to Pluralsight, and the opportunity to showcase solutions to Googlers and developers all around the world at Demo Day live on YouTube. Top 3 winners lastly receive a Chromebook, a coffee chat with a Google executive, and a feature on the Google developers blog. So yes, the prizes are really exciting, and to be honest, it's worth the challenge. So make sure you go find a team and participate in Solution 2021 challenge. That's all for this video. The Google Developer Student Club Solution Challenge is a great opportunity for you to participate and learn Google technologies and kickstart your career by learning through doing. So don't forget to participate and submit your solutions before 31st March 2021. And at last, I would just like to say, if you have any questions, any queries, feel free to comment below, or you can message us on our Instagram page. You can also message us on our Telegram channel. We will be really happy to help you. And yes, I have also mentioned all the important links in the description box below. We have also created a document with all the links to the resources that you might find useful, that might help you to address the problem in a better way and come up with a sustainable solution. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye.